Shala who Salonie, I wanna put Salonie up and down, I run up and down all about. I wanna put her in this. If nothing happen to her, the whole of you run come here and come bail her. The whole of you run come down come bail her.
You know it's a boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. People, wagwan. I hope everybody good. I hope everybody alright. If at the first time you check out the Chaddy TV, don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button and turn on post notification. So anytime we upload videos like these, you definitely are going to be the first to know.
Hey, no hay nada que yo no pueda hacer.
Some of the topics we are going to look at today includes Salonie. Yes, Instagram superstar Salonie from the Dana program. Yes, Salonie was arrested and charged today. Well, I don't know if she was charged, but I know she was arrested. Another major topic we want to look at is police confirmed that the viral video circulating on the internet is a reprisal killing for dancehall artist FADA GAD. Before we take a look at those topics, we are going to talk about this song on see a display on the screen now and then. The song is by Fresh EP and Seratuh and it's entitled Conquer the World. People, you don't see what going on already. The music video sharp, but make we run the intro and talk about the song. Alright?
Yeah, Chaddy Marie, I'm your biggest fan.
What a vibes! What a vibes!
For all the vlogs and recent update, mailing Chaddy Marie. Bototom, Bush, Yaxter said that.
So people, this video we are talking about is not your regular video. This is not the regular dancehall video you see around. This look more like an international type of video, an international type of flavor. Even though Seratuh is a New York-based artist, originally from Portland, Fresh EP is from the Dominican Republic, but he live in New York. So you said you see what the little fuse forward in, you see what the little international Spanish vibe something forward in. And me have to add again, most definitely the music video complement the song. The music video complements the song in so much ways. But people, we are gonna make you hear the song again.
Conquer the world, shoot to the stars, soar like a bird. Think so we start, now we going further. Mark my words, I gotta run the world. Just watch.
So people, that is Fresh EP and Seratuh with their song entitled Conquer the World. I'm wanting to check it out. I'm going to leave a link to that song in the comment section below. If you are watching on Instagram, I'm going to leave him Instagram in the comment section or in the little description below as well. People, make sure you go and go check it out. Support good music like this. The music here, it have a vibe, it have a flavor. And this song have a big possibility of crossing over and making it international. I mean like them DB international. I mean like me cheerleader international. Billions of views on YouTube. Alright? So people, go and go check it out.
Large of attraction, you just go from where you are. Nobody never put success in your palm.
The police are pursuing two persons of interest in a brazen daylight murder of a 16-year-old boy in St. James over the weekend. The incident was caught on video. In the video, which has since gone viral on social media, a group of men can be seen alighting from two motor cars, armed with high-power weapons. The men descending on what appears to be a corner shop and open a barrage of gunfire. The 16-year-old and another male was reportedly hit. A toddler can be seen running around at the scene as the mayhem unfolds. Head of the Constabulary Corporate Communications Unit, SSP Stephanie Lindsay, says the murder was a reprisal hit for the killing of a member of the entertainment fraternity in the parish.
They went into the community in search of persons that they believed they could carry an attack on as a way of reprisal. So hence the shooting, we understand that the 16-year-old that was killed is said to be connected to one of the persons that they are accusing to be the mastermind behind the shooting of the individual. So they carried out that attack. Very unfortunate situation. Good thing the child was not hurt. The child was within the care of responsible adults. So the police continue with the investigation. You know, subsequent to the shooting, they have looked at a number of things. They have identified 2 persons of interest that they will be pursuing based on what they saw in the video and what they have gathered by way of investigation. These are fairly young men. They're not hiding. They all had weapons, high-powered weapons, handguns. So it speaks to the level of violence that they are displaying at the community level. So I would want to say to them that probably it is time now to reduce the violence. They have the guns. They should try to get rid of the guns. They need to find a way to work out their conflicts because they can't continue to resort to killing each other and believe the conflict is going to end. The more they kill people is the more the bloodshed and the violence will continue.
Never yet lose my faith, dog. Me never yet lose my way. Cause a Jah guide, a Jah guide, a Jah guide.
People, I did a story about this yesterday, and I can see people in the comment section, they must say, yo, Chaddy, you don't sure that it's a reprisal for Father God killing and this and that and one bag of things. And you see, Stephanie Lindsay right now forward out and confirm it. And people, Stephanie Lindsay are the head of corporate communications unit, as I say already. Anything have to do with interview, public relations, once it have something to do with the police and the media, as she transmit the information them. We not telling a lie, that a go on. But one thing me have to say, the last song that Father God did, the song when he Jah Guide, the same song when you see me play a while ago on the screen. I don't want to kind of taint the reputation, the legacy where Father God left, boy. Yo, Jano, why you name yourself Father God? Anyway, that's one different topic. That song is a very, very, very good song. But now, when you name a call up with them reprisal thing here and them bugger killing you, it don't paint a good character of who you were when you were alive. I'm going to say it again. It don't paint a good character of who you were when you were alive. People, this one bag of gun thing, it no make no sense. See, Father God dead there, and then them go some booms and kill back one 16-year-old. And if the 16-year-old people them decide to go kill back one more Father God friend them, and it just go on and on and on and on and on. Where does it stop? I don't know. Tell me in the comment section what you think about all of that. But moving on.
Remember the 4th of March is the 5th is my birthday, but I keep my birthday on my 9 night. The 4th, that means the next week Thursday is my 9 night. Come on, see my 9 night should I look. Everybody keep them 9 night when they dead. Me I keep my one when me alive. That's when me dead. Nobody keep no more. Just keep set up and bury me. You understand? So this is to miss. Remember, right a world boss, and yes, they come shell it. You understand? 100 lane top.
So people, you know, with the whole COVID measures, no gathering over 10%, more than 10 people, nothing gather. You see me? A lot of place closed down, bar nothing open past 6 o'clock, curfew start 8 o'clock, and we can go on and on and on. But still when they decide to keep our party. Alright, 9 night. And me did a review about this already, but for the people who missed that review, me just kind of refreshing the memory on what took place at Salonie 9 night.
Straight out of Miami, you understand? And she fund the party. Some of them don't even know nobody has St. Elizabeth. And Salonie people pay for your 9 night and she don't even dead. And this you call scamming.
Now people, we got some information from Donna stating that Salonie is now in police custody. Me I go run the clip and make on hear what go on, alright?
Yeah, tell Brown man to call her, see our police car with her for. Salonie not just out here, so I'm tell her tapping eyes. I don't know if I that Baba call any car already. She did go down let to them. See, all who Salonie don't have up Salonie up and down, I run up and down all about. I want to put her in this. See, if nothing happen to her, the whole of you run come here and come bail her. The whole of you run come down come bail her. Eh? The police car with her. That them said, Paris said them say police stop and tell her to come in. And I must nothing stick but me, no know. You don't have to Salonie number. You don't have Salonie number.
Salonie no gone with no phone.
Yeah. Our phone.
Salonie gone in the Salonie bag not there, so over the bar.
And I have.
Okay, one Gucci bag like.
Yeah, what me get for your birthday?
Sit over there, so that Salonie no
I want Beverly Hills. She not looking for her phone in there. Yes, what me I tell you when trouble and planka. See there, me call to see what when me police gone with him. And the police, they don't know if a police like her friend then. They not. At that me I say too, but if people, at that me I say. Yeah, me could find out, yeah. Cause Star Jones, I can't speculate Star Jones. Hello? Yeah? Yeah, me know who $20 seed. Yep, you're gonna get through, man. Don't worry yourself. You'll get through. Yeah, you're gonna get through. The two phone over there, so carry her back, come. I tell Brown man put it up. No, tell Brown man to put up or something, because me not go there. Me I call you back, because my brain kind of confused you now. Alright. Then I walk Salonie could I do so God. I better me did make Tanya so I make nice. Better me did take she out there so I make nice to Rastaja. And when this morning me there at my breakfast and me have videos, she come and say anything where she want breakfast to me tell Papa T say for make breakfast for Salonie too. And me there so I read whether I good. Just Salonie could have done. Let's see if a police is a call. Hello? 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 Hello?
Hello?
Yes?
Hi, Auntie Donna, how are you doing?
I'm fine.
Hi, okay, so just want to say I love you and I love watching your show and big up yourself.
Yeah.
Big up yourself. Okay. I feel nervous and I don't see in person. I'm just talking to you on the phone.
The ear one brush.
So I'm just going to call if I'm trying to. I know you said that I don't send things in your WhatsApp for business and stuff like that. But my phone is not able to send the information on the pics of what I do. So I just wanted to say that I make center stands out of wood and stuff like that, and also
go look at your CIR.
So I just wanted to know how I can able to put it out
You
here.
don't go look at your CIR. I don't know them say police can't come here this sir.
Yes.
You go see her what she do. Yeah, where you say
I'm wondering if I'm able to, like I got you know.
Well, you just tell it quiet. Call me back one next time. If I advertisement, put it in our comment section, yeah?
No, that's what I'm trying to say. I'm not able to do it in there.
You have to put it in there, because in there I take them from. Or tag me night for IG.
Okay, no problem. Thank you. I'll do that on IG then.
Yeah, where you say the woman set you up, Harry?
They look like a she want to look for the draw down.
Oh, then just draw down for me and try night, yeah.
That shop, she cut the car out. It's like a shop, she know. I don't know that food for them.
Yeah, get somebody? Barry, tell Joshy. John know me that Planka people may come off fire live. Me no know if Salonie do nothing. I'm going to make 2 phone calls here later.
After that, we received some information that Salonie is now out on bail. $30,000 bail. Me I hope say I saw it go. It's your boy DJ Chaddy. And don't forget to check me out on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. Don't forget to leave a like on this video and comment in the comment section and let me know what you think about the topics we discussed today. It's your boy DJ Chaddy. And guess what? A one way and any other way are the wrong way. I'm gone.